How to get TD car insurance online in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the TD car insurance online uh, with your own personal device sitting at home. So first of all, you need to open a new web browser and a new tab, and then you have to search for TD insurance. And as you can see, it's already suggesting me one, and you just have to click on there and go to the official website of https www.tdinsurance.com. Just simply click on that, and after coming to the official website, you can see there are many options. So in this video we are going to show you about the car insurance. So for that you just have to simply click on the car insurance from here, and as you can see there are many options like a switch to TD insurance, start saving, TD insurance auto centers, TD insurance auto repair warranty, and all. So there are also said that you can save 10% when you buy car insurance online, claim prior reward, bundle home and car, and claim process. And so to get a car insurance online on TD, you just need to log into your account, log in or sign up to your account of TD Insurance, and then click on get a car insurance quote. So as it says the schedule system maintenance, as it's on schedule system maintenance, you can try it multiple times and get the quote of the insurance and what the insurance will cover, and what is the time limit, and what is the expiry date and everything. And then you can just book a car insurance from them or take a car insurance from them. You can also uh, talk to their customer representative and select and customize your own car insurance. So that's how you can get a TD car insurance from online. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.